So you're trying to figure out how to monetize your app. In other words, how can we make money from our application? There's definitely a couple ways that you can go about this. Now, which way that you should do ultimately is up to you and the team, but then also what kind of platform that you're doing. Social media app would be very different from, let's say, a utility app. But the main goal of this video is to kind of go through some of the more popular ways that you can monetize. So one of the first common ways that you can monetize would be offering a paid version of the app. So if you go onto the App Store, someone would pay, or a user would pay $1.99 or 99 cents to download your app. One of the next ways would be to implement a in-app purchase or a subscription. In today's age, that model is very, very popular. Probably one of the most used models is the subscription. Definitely highly recommended, having a more basic version or offering a more premium version for that subscription. The third way would be displaying ads within the platform. So for example, I'm sure if you're watching this, you know what Snapchat is. You probably even use it. And if you go to their Explore page, you'll watch the videos and then you'll see an ad. Snapchat makes money off of those ads. The more people that are on your app that see those ads, the more money that typically Google or whatever platform you're using for the ads will pay you. Definitely a really good model dependent on your app and what it does. One of the fourth way that you can monetize would be using your app as a way to bring people into the door if you're selling a physical or digital product outside of the app. So in other words, leveraging your app to bring them into a sales cycle to sell the digital or the physical product. One of the last ways to monetize an app would be to sell user data. Obviously you want to make sure that this is ethical. Again, is this recommended? I'm not at liberty to say. That is up to you and your team. But again, definitely a way that you can monetize.